Good morning, year ones. I'm just going to show you how to play some of the games on Matific. So when you are assigned activities, you're looking for the sharing activities. So you can just search for sharing activities and they'll pop up. Then there's two activities. There's the monster share as well as the river crossing. So I'll show you the river crossings to start with. So this is a worded problem and it's still sharing the little meerkats evenly. So you've got how many round trips should the boat do to bring all the animals to the left side of the river? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 meerkats there. So that's one trip. 1, 2, 3, 4, another trip, 2 trips. 1, 2, 3, 4, another trip, 3 trips. So you click the question mark and then you click the number 3. Press done. You should get lots of little confettis coming up if you get it right, okay? Then you press the next button. I'm just going to show you an example if I get it wrong, what happens. So again, there's 4 seats on the boat. And this time, how many round trips should the boat do to bring all the animals to the left side of the river? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm just going to put a random number and I'm going to put, I don't know, 9, okay? If it's wrong, it won't have that confetti coming up, okay? So if it's right, it'll come up. And it doesn't matter how many times you get it. Oh, no, sorry, okay. It does matter. After 2 or 3 attempts, you'll get the right answer. So don't worry if you get it wrong. Just keep having a guess, having a try. Keep recounting your meerkats to make sure that you do get the confetti and the little excitement and you get the answer right. Press next. How many round trips should the boat do to bring all animals to the left side of the river? Now there's 2 seats, so you're dividing the meerkats into groups, into 2. So 1, 2, that's 1 time. Another 1, 2, 2 times. Another 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 sets of meerkats will go through. And let's have a look. Click 3. Confetti. Okay, so that's the first game. The second game is the monster share. So you click on the monster share. It'll take a little bit of time to load as you go through. Divide the fruits among the monsters according to their request. Tap a monster to see what it wants. I want half of the apples. Okay, so half of the apples would be 1 for him. Let's see what this monster wants. I want 1 apple, he's saying. So I'll give him 1 apple. So you're just dragging and dropping if you're on an iPad, or if you're on a laptop, just press the keys. Stars everywhere if you get it right. Now let's pretend I get it wrong, okay? So I want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to give him 4 now because I want to get a wrong answer. And I want half. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it was half, he should also be getting 5, but I'm just going to see what happens if I get it wrong. So he'll remind you that he wants 5 and he's only got 4. So then you drag and drop here and make sure you've shared it equally so they both have 5. That's done. And the same thing will happen. So these are the 2 activities. You need to be able to read the sentence. If you're not able to, for whatever reason, you may do the activity as an adjustment from yesterday. So you can just share, grab a handful of pasta and share it between you and your parents or you and your family. For an extension, you may want to create your own worded problem. So for example, if I had 40 wheels, somebody magically gave me 40 wheels, how many cars could I fit with wheels? So that would be, 40 wheels. I need 4 wheels on 1 car. So it'd be 40 wheels divided by 4, and then I would be able to fit 10 cars with wheels. And make up any sum you like. So let's say 4, 8, 12, 16. If I had 16 wheels, I guess, because I'm trying to link it to inquiry, wheels, how many cars would I be able to fit with those 16 wheels, given that each car has 4 wheels? So I would go 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so I could fit 4 cars with 4 wheels each, and that would divide that 16 up evenly. So you could create your own worded problem for an extension if you want to go a little bit further than the Matific activities. If you want to have a little bit more of an adjustment and the Matific activities are too hard for you, that's fine too. Grab a bunch of anything, pasta or Smarties like we did yesterday, or anything, toys, marbles, Unifigs, and you can share them evenly into groups. So one for me, one for you, one for me, one for you. And you're kind of doing a repeat of yesterday's lesson. Hope that makes sense. If there's any trouble or you don't know how to get your Matific password, please ask your teachers and we will email it to you. Thank you.